Hello friends, welcome back. And this is Danny. So in this video, we are going to discuss a program in Java. So in this program, we are going to discuss about uh, um, interface. So interface is nothing but if you want to use a function in more than one class, then and, then just to avoid overriding, we are using this interface. So this interface, I'm just initializing three functions called search ticket, book ticket, and cancel ticket. This function is all about booking a ticket and canceling a ticket and searching a ticket in a bus. So I have just created a class called redbus, and I'm just putting an interface function in here, and inside that interface I have just initialized three functions: search ticket, book ticket, and cancel tickets. So in book ticket and cancel ticket, I have passed an argument and also a string called get name, and a string get source, and get destination, get number of tickets, get cost. Okay, so all these things I have initialized in interface. Okay, now in another class called menu, so I'm just asking the details for bus 1 and bus 2, and I am storing that input in a variable called ob1 and ob2. Okay, so I'm initializing a, a variable called AO as 0, and I'm using the scanner object here, and inside a do while loop, because I have to do a repetition over here, so I'm using this do while loop here. And inside that do while loop, I'm running a menu driven program for searching a ticket and booking a ticket and cancelling a ticket. So I'm due to this menu driven program, I'm using switch case here. So for case 1, I want to search ticket, and case 2 for book ticket, and case 3 for cancelling a ticket, and case 4 as default. So for case 1, I'm entering the source and destination. Okay, so before going inside this menu class, there's another class I have created called bus class. So this bus class is nothing but just to get information for bus 1 and bus 2. Okay, let's go to that class. Okay, so inside the bus class, I have implemented the interface redbus. So inside that, I have initialized a string name, source, destination, number of ticket, and cost. So inside this class, I have just used a function, a constructor called bus, and inside that constructor, inside that constructor, I have got the details of the bus, like bus name, source, destination, number of tickets, and cost of the tickets. Okay, after that, I have just used the getter setter functions for name, and source for destination, and number of tickets. So only these things, and also for search tickets and booking the tickets. So for searching the ticket, so to search ticket, basically we need to input the bus name and the source destination. So if we input all these things, we can search the ticket. So I have also mentioned the available tickets as 2. So if the ticket is available there, then it should show that it is available or not. Okay, so and also for booking the tickets and cancelling the tickets. So only these things I have given in bus function. Let's go back to menu function. Let's go back to menu class. Okay, so inside this, so in case 1, so to enter the source and destination, so I am getting the input for source and destination as source and destination itself. Okay, so here I'm using a function called content equals. So this is used to check whether the given contents are equal or not. So here the concept is, if if the entered source and destination is equal to the bus, then it should allow the user to search ticket. Okay, so this is for bus 1, and this is for bus 2. Okay, so as you can see, it is for ob1. So the ob1 is bus 1, and ob2 is bus 2. Okay, and the case 2 is for booking the tickets, and the case 3 for cancelling the tickets, and the case 4 is for default. It will just return the statement called try again. Okay, so now let's run the program. Okay, so now it's asking for bus 1 details. Let's give the bus 1 name. Source. Okay. Destination. So it's asking for number of tickets. I have um, I have given the maximum number as 2, so I have given number of tickets 1. Okay, the cost of tickets is 200. Okay, bus 2 details. Let's give it as same. So it's asking me the first till now I have just entered the bus details for bus 1 and bus 2. So now I'm going to be a user, and I'm going to search ticket, book ticket, and cancel ticket. Now first let's go for search ticket. Okay, so source and destination it's asking. So let's give the source and the destination. Okay, so when I give the source and destination name, so it's searching for bus 1 and bus 2 source destination. If it is matching for any one of these, it will show the details of that concerned bus. Okay, now I'm continuing, and let's book a ticket. So already I have booked a ticket of 1, so let's go for booking the ticket. Destination. Okay, so it's available ticket is 1. Okay, so now let's go for cancelling the ticket. Okay, so number of ticket I want to cancel is 1. Okay, so so it's cancelled, and the bus name and the details is shown here, and the amount refunded is 200. Okay friends, that's all for this program. Thank you.